Hi, welcome back to another video on my channel, BKM Tech Reviews. In the next video, I'm going to do a video on an iPhone 15 Pro Max case. So a company called Benks kindly sent this out to me to review. So this is it here, it's the Benks iPhone 15 Pro Max case. We're gonna have a look at that today. Apparently it's a Kevlar casing case, so it protects your iPhone 15 Pro Max very well. Let's just get straight into the video and have a look how this case performs. Okay, here it is, the Benks iPhone 15 Pro Max case. So this is the Aura version from Benks. So this is it in the box. So this is a really good quality iPhone 15 Pro Max case. So this Aura version is based around the Northern Lights apparently. So that's what they've based it on. So it's very good packaging. Again, by this company Benks. Again, this video is not sponsored or anything like that. I can say anything about it as well. This is the Benks Aura Kevlar 15 Pro Max case. Let's have a look inside then. So let's just open it. So yeah, this is a really high quality case. So I like the packaging. So it's got Kevlar protection. So that's really good. It's built with dew point Kevlar fiber Benks protective case. So it's durable, drop resistant, carbon fiber as well, and uses composite materials and excellent drop and impact resistance. So high in intensity and light in weight. So it offers durable and resilient protection. So that's the Kevlar dew point. So if anybody knows about Kevlar protection, it's supposed to be bulletproof. So this is going to bulletproof your iPhone 15. So let's just get it out of the box. Really liking the packaging, really good. So there it is, Benks case. So yeah. Shout out to Benks for the packaging, that's really good. This is the case. Yeah, I'm loving the case. Let's get rid of that. This is the case. So let's just have a look at it then. Looking at this though, I think this is a newer version because on the front of the box, you've got cutouts for here, but this one's all in one, you know, for the buttons. So I don't know if this is a newer model. It's the same colour and everything. I'll just get the case again. So as you can see on the front of the cover, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, it's got a cutout bit for your buttons there. Get a bit closer. So it's not a fully formed plastic all the way around like how it is all the way around here. Yes, this might be a newer model. But yeah, I'm really impressed with it so far. So let's just have a look. So let's just take this off. There you go, you got the MagSafe there as well for the iPhone, and then you've got the Kevlar logo there, built with Kevlar. I'm liking the feel of it as well. So it's a nice woven like feel. Let's just cut this bit off here. So you've got this is plastic around the edge to protect your cameras. And it's got the Benks logo there. But yeah, it feels nice in the hand, feels grippy. It doesn't feel slidey. So I'm just going to get my iPhone. So here is my iPhone 15 Pro Max in the blue titanium. So put it in at the bottom first and click that in there. That's a really good fit, and it doesn't put any bulk on the phone either. So I'm really impressed with that. Yeah, it protects the camera. It's so as you can see, so if you put it down on a flat surface, it's going to protect the camera lenses. So it sort of protrudes out a little bit to cover the lenses on there. Yeah, the buttons is responsive on there as well. So you've got all the protection there for your volume up and down, and action button there, and then you've got the power button there. So yeah, I like the texture of it, really nice. So like I said, it's based on the Northern Lights. Really nice case. So I think I'm going to be using this a lot. It really doesn't put any bulk to the actual phone itself. So yeah, this is the Benks Kevlar dew point protection iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Obviously you can get it in all different sizes, like the 15 Pro or any other iPhone as well. So yeah, I do really like this case. Benks did send this out to me because they reached out to me. So what I'll do, I'll leave the price in the description below as well, of where you can get this from as well. So yeah, I really do like this case. I think it retails about £39, but it's, yeah, I'm really liking it. Yeah, it fits nice, doesn't make the phone feel any bulk on it whatsoever, and I like this. It's grippy as well. It doesn't seem like it's going to slip out of your hand. So yeah, so I hope you liked the video regarding this Benks case. If you could leave a like and subscribe and comment on this video, that would be much appreciated. And like I said, I will leave in the description of where you can get it from, and I think there's a discount as well on there as well. So hope to see you all again on my channel, BKM Tech Reviews. Have a nice day.